Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. So, today is Thursday, and the date is 23rd of December 2021. Okay, yesterday we did this page, but for those who did not complete, let's do it again. Okay, Habibi? Let's do it again.
Miss, I'm already done from this page.
I know there are some of your friends did not finish, ya Habibti. So we will do it again. Now, I want you to fill in the blanks to make statement true. When bedrocks break down for a long time and mixes with air, water, and the decomposed remain of soil is formed. So what do I need? The decomposed remain of who? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand and tell me the remains of who? Yes, يا لمار الدم.
I know, but it's like the remains of
In your book, we already did that yesterday. Okay, hi Batul.
Of animals and
Yes?
people
No?
or plants.
Yes. Animals and plants. Very good. Thank you very much. Close your mic. Now, soil is a resource because plants need it to. Why do plants need soil? Hi, Yara. Can you tell me? Why do plants need soil? Plants need it too. Yes, يا لمار الفالح.
Yes, Miss.
Soil is a resource because plants need it to
Survive.
what?
Plants need to survive.
Okay, survive. How do they survive? They Lamar. Look at
Yes.
the screen, ya mama. To grow. And we depend on plants for our food. We did that already yesterday, ya habibi. Wake up. We depend on plants for our food. We need to eat from these plants. We eat fruits, vegetables, plants. So we depend on them for food. Soil supports plants and give them nutrients. Remember nutrients? Nutrients. From where people get nutrients, or soil, sorry, they need to grow. From where do they get the nutrients? From which substance? What do we call the substance? We call it, no one knows? From where soil get the nutrients? From where?
From humus.
Excellent, from humus. Alhamdulillah, someone is up. From humus, very good. Okay, Habibi, 1 minute only to complete writing for those who did not finish writing yesterday.
I missed which day we are gonna play Kahoot.
Inshallah, the revision day.
What?
The revision day, Mama.
Miss, I'm so
Okay.
happy. Do you know why?
Yeah?
Because it's my little cousin's birthday. She turned now 1 year old.
MashaAllah. Okay, did you finish writing, Habibi?
We already did it yesterday.
Yeah, I did.
No, but your friends did not
I did
write.
it yesterday.
I already did it.
Oh,
So
I already did
everyone
it.
wrote, خلاص?
I finished it all. I already did it.
Today, we're going to talk about people in science. But before that, please keep your mic closed so everyone can hear me. Okay? I want you to meet the environmental scientist. First of all, when I say the environmental scientist, what comes to your mind? A scientist study about what? What comes to your mind? Hi, Batul.
Scientists study about animals and plants and other things we can use. Or
Okay, thank you. Who else? What comes to your mind when I say this is an environmental scientist? What does he study about? Huh, Habibi?
Can I
Yes,
answer?
yes, sure.
They study plants and animals in the sea and stuff like that.
Okay, what about the environment, guys? He's an environmental scientist.
Oh yeah, they study the environment.
Yes, of course. So who can tell me what's the environment?
Mister, I have a question.
No, answer my question first. What is environment? Hi, Batul. What is environment?
Is it like environment things like things we can use
This is
make?
natural resource. You're talking about the natural resource, things that we use from nature. But environment means all the
All the
Habibi,
things,
all the living and
all the living and non-living things.
excellent. So they study all the living and non-living thing in one place. That's why they called the environmental scientists. Let's meet some of them. First of all, this is Noah. Noah, Ida Kong, sorry. From this picture, what do you think he study about? From the picture, look at the picture. What does he study about?
Fish.
Yes, he study about fish and oceans. So all the environment in oceans, waters, the fish, sea plants, sea animals. Let's read about him. Malak, can you read for me, please? Noah?
Yeah, sure. Noah
Ida Kong.
Noah Idikho grew up in a small fishing village on the island nation of Paula,
Hello.
Holland.
Yes.
Hello, Holland.
Hello and children.
Children are taught to take special care of the ocean. The ocean provides their families with food. Idikho work to conserve ocean life. Boats can damage coral on the coast.
Coral on the coast. Okay, slowly.
Coral
Now,
of the
first
coast.
of all, where does Noah grow up?
In a small village.
Excellent.
Island.
Okay, small village on the island, but this village is known as what? A fishing village. So they know the most about who? About
Fishing.
fishing. Excellent, excellent. Now his own kids are taught to take care of the ocean. So his kids know the ocean very well. They know how to take care of it. Why? Because ocean provides their families with food, so they need to take care of it. They take fish from the ocean. That's why they need to keep the ocean clean and safe for their families to have food. Now, Ida King worked to conserve ocean life. What do I mean by conserve? What does it mean, conserve? حبايبي. What is the meaning of conserve? To keep something safe or to waste it away? Answer يا ماما, answer يا حبايبي.
To keep
Keep
something
something
safe.
safe.
To keep something safe.
Excellent, excellent, very good. To keep something safe. Ocean life. Now, boats can damage the coral on the coast. You know the corals? When the corals dies, many fish leave. Why? And the fish population gets smaller because some fishes, they live on corals. If there is no corals, they cannot be living anymore. So what did the children do? Ida King helped make rules to protect the coastal environment. What do you think he did? If the boats are breaking down the coral on the ocean or on the coast line, so what are the rules he might put for them so he can conserve these corals? Huh?
Said no boats in
Yes.
the ocean.
Excellent. No boats on the ocean. How can they fish? They can go with their feet. They don't need boats. He's telling them you do not need boats, or else if you want to use boats, you need to move them first with your feet in front until the corals are not around. Then you can put your boat and fish. Now, many kinds of fish swim in island waters, okay? By putting limits on fishing in certain areas, more fish can survive and reproduce. So you can find so many fishes in island water. You cannot find them in the lake, you cannot find them at the beach, you cannot find them at the river. You can find them only in water, in island water. All right, let's see another woman, another scientist called Lena. Lena Quinning-Ma. She is a soil scientist. So she study about what يا لمار الفالح.
Okay. She studies how some plants take in
Arsenic.
arsenic. Arsenic is used as a poison
Oh,
to keep weeds
poison
away
to keep
from crops.
weeds away from crops. Okay, so arsenic is a poison. Why? To keep weeds away from crops so they do not grow in crops. Okay, complete. During
During her research, Ma found a fern growing in an
industrial site. What's
industrial
industrial site? Industrial site is where the factories are built or they work. Where do they? Yes, the factories. Most of factories are there. It was green, even though the soil was polluted with arsenic. See? With poison. Arsenic is a poison plant. What did she discover, ya Lamar? Ma discovered
that ferns remove arsenic from soil. The
He studied
studied how the fern can be used to clean up
pollution
pollution
in soil.
soil, the groundwater.
Excellent. So what do you understand from what did she study? That our ferns, how they are very good for soil. how ferns are good for soil. They are used to Hi حبيبتي لمار. They used to clean up
They use to clean up soil.
pollution in soil and underground. So this scientist is measuring a soil property called a pH, okay? She's measuring something in the soil. We call it pH. Different types of plants grow best at different pH range. This property is important for brake ferns because it can affect the amount of arsenic these plants can take in.
Miss, why is their name so weird?
Which name, the ferns or arsenic?
No. Noha and Lena Kuaima.
Oh, okay. Lena, she's from China. And Noah, I think he is from Asia. That's why. Yeah. All right, Habaib. Let's see how different pH in the soil can grow different plants. Now take a look at this one over here. A farmer is planting his crops. He tests the pH of the soil from different fields on his farm, okay? He wants to know which crop to plant each field. Now you have this scale down here. The scale showing you the pH from 3 until 10, okay, with colors. I want you to use the pH scale below to match the soil from each field with the best crop to plant in the field, okay? Write the name of the crop on the line for the correct soil. So you have the information over here. Look, let's start with the broccoli. Yeah,
Miss, what does pH means?
it's a property of soil. They measure how much salt in it, how much sour
So
in
they
it.
measure.
Yes.
So they measure like the soil.
Yes, they measure with a pH scale. They have a pH scale. They measure it. Then they say which crop can grow better in this soil. Now let's see broccoli. Broccoli grow best in soil that has pH around 6. So where should I write broccoli, Maryam? In which color? The blue, orange, or green?
The green.
Excellent. Why?
Because the 7 is like next to the 6.
Excellent, excellent, very good. Because broccoli grow better in 6 pH and it is around 6 pH, the green color. So let's write broccoli. Now, what about blueberries? Yeah, someone did not answer. Habibi, wake up with me, ya Mama. Jayda, blueberries grow best in soil that has a pH around 4.
Around 4, it's the blue square.
Around 4.
Well, I read it's the orange.
Yes. So around 4 is the orange. Blue.
Miss, I'm done.
Teacher, I want to answer.
What about, okay, answer. Sugar beets. They grow best in soil that has a pH around 8.
Blue.
Of course, it's the blue. So it is sugar beets.
Miss, you forgot the owl and blueberries.
I forgot what?
You forgot the owl and blueberries.
It's not done. Miss, why did you put a U? Why did you put a U?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. You put a U.
Miss, what is the beside the blueberry? What is this kind of fruit or vegetable?
Sugar beets.
What?
Sugar beets. We put it in salad. We use it in salad.
Oh,
I'm done.
Okay, if you're done, we are going to watch a video about other environmental scientists and what do they study.
I'm done. Miss, I'm done, Damiara.
Miss, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done. I'm done, Miss.
All right.
Miss, I'm done.
Say bye-bye to recording. Now let's start watching the video.
Bye bye recording.